Have you ever wished for a tool that could automate the process of generating text-based files, electrical drawings, or AutoCAD DWGs from a template? It's a common challenge faced by many. Manually creating or updating these files can be time-consuming, prone to errors, and frankly, a bit of a headache. Enter ExcelProGen, an Excel add-in template engine designed to address these very issues. It has a special feature that enables automation of creating electrical drawings from templates. Imagine a world where you no longer have to manually create or update these files, including your complex electrical drawings. That's the world ExcelProGen aims to create. Let's dive into how ExcelProGen can automate this process. Imagine you're working on a project that requires creating multiple AutoCAD drawings or text-based files from a template. With ExcelProGen, you can streamline this task significantly. This powerful Excel add-in lets you import AutoCAD drawings to extract attributes into your current Excel sheet. You can then export these attributes back into your AutoCAD drawings, making updates a breeze. What about creating new drawings? ExcelProGen has you covered. The software can generate DWG or DXF files by replacing attributes, along with text and mtext placeholders. This means each Excel row can create a new file from a template. And if you're working with text-based files, ExcelProGen can generate new ones by replacing placeholders in a template or even in existing files. So whether you're dealing with AutoCAD, BricsCAD, or DXF files, ExcelProGen can handle it all. As you can see, ExcelProGen takes care of the heavy lifting, letting you focus on what's really important. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. ExcelProGen, the powerful Excel add-in, lets you create text-based files or AutoCAD DWGs from templates. It can also import, export, and replace attributes in AutoCAD drawings. Plus, it enables you to generate new text files from templates like XML, HTML, TXT, DSF, INI, and update existing files with new values, all controlled from an Excel sheet. What's not to love about such a versatile tool? So, are you ready to simplify your workflow with ExcelProGen? We thought so.